What's new and what's missing in MIUI 11.0.9.0 based on Android 10 running on the Poco F1? What's up peeps, Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you what is new in MIUI 11.0.9.0 based on Android 10 running on the Poco F1. The only major change you will notice is that the security patch has been updated to June 2020. Yes, we are in July and we are still getting the June patch, but that is how Xiaomi rolls and that is how they send out their updates. Before you ask me when will MIUI 12 come for the Poco F1, I have no news about that. If I do get some news, I will post it on the community tab. Next up, let us see if the themes issue has been fixed. So these are my status bar icons right now. We can go into settings, and then if we go into themes, my page, you will see that I am right now running the classic theme. Status bar icons are from the classic theme. Let us change over to the Poco theme, apply it, and there it is. Still, the status bar icons are from the classic themes. Now, on my previous video, some of you commented that if you reboot the device, the issue is fixed. So let us try rebooting our device as well. And we can now unlock our device. You can see that the icons have changed, the wallpaper has changed, but the status bar icons are still the same. So the themes issue has still not been fixed, and it has been ages. I guess we will get tired of calling out Xiaomi, but they are not going to fix it. Next up, let us check if the animations in Poop Launcher have been fixed. Nope, animations in Poop Launcher are also still broken. Another question which I'm pretty sure I will get is, what about the cleaner app? Well, when I clean flashed this ROM and then I booted into MIUI for the first time, I got an update notification for a lot of applications, and the cleaner app was one of them. So we can check out the version which is 4.1.2. Yes, this is the sham update which we talked about yesterday, because package name is still com.miui.clean master. The only change they have done is, if you go into the settings of Clean Master, they have removed the option for definitions, and they think that they can now fool people into believing that they are not using Clean Master anymore. Well, dear Xiaomi, that is why we are here, to call you out on your lies and the fake updates which you're trying to send over to the cleaner application. So what's the bottom line? Well, the bottom line is that this is another update from Xiaomi for the Poco F1, which is, in my opinion, not adding any features, only updating the security patch, that too a month old. The only positive side is that if you are on 11.0.8.0, you do get an OTA update which is less than 200 MB. That is the only positive side. 11.0.8.0 was like 2 GB update for very minor changes. So until and unless you want the June security patch, I don't see any point in using this build. And there it is peeps, that is what was new in MIUI 11.0.9.0 running on the Poco F1, and that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.